Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be teaching you how to make this simple scrub. If you're interested, please keep on watching. Starting off, I'm going to be using jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is going to act as a carrier oil of choice, but you can use coconut oil, you can use almond, you can use castor oil. So I'm going to be adding tablespoons of the jojoba oil into my turmeric powder. This is dried turmeric powder, and I'll advise that while making this scrub, this turmeric scrub, work with turmeric powder, dried turmeric powder. So I'm going to proceed to mix this two all up together, and the next we need now is our shea butter. This is 100% organic shea butter, and I'm going to whisk this butter into a smooth pasty or buttery consistency. I'm just using a little bit of the butter. I'm not using a whole lot. I really love having butter in my scrub. Like I said, this is a very simple scrub that you can make in the comfort of your home, and it's going to brighten up your skin, exfoliate, and give you that radiance glow. So now I'm going to be adding the jojoba oil and the turmeric mixture into the butter, and as well proceed to mix this all up together. Make sure that you're mixing it all up together to get the best consistency, and you can see that beautiful radiant yellow color peek through. I love to add actives which can improve the glowing and exfoliating and brightening result of my skin. So I'm using orange peel oil. Orange is rich in vitamin C and also brightens up your skin. So I'm using the orange peel oil. The next active oil I'll be using is ylang-ylang oil. Ylang-ylang oil has anti-inflammatory properties that helps fight acne and takes care of any skin or topical disease or infection. And I also love ylang-ylang in this mixture because it has a very rich fragrance. Okay, this ylang-ylang oil is going to automatically give my scrub a very nice fragrance, and that I love to have in my scrub. So you have to incorporate all this together to make sure that the oils mix well with the butter. And the next thing I'm using now is permit me to call it the base ingredient, because what is a scrub without granulated sugar? So I'm going to be using white granulated sugar in my scrub. This is going to act as an exfoliant, and sugar has the ability to brighten up the skin, to exfoliate the skin properly and reveal that underneath glowy, beautiful and radiant skin. So I'm going to incorporate this all up together, and as well go in with my mixer to make sure that everything is mixed properly.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, you can't be replaced. So no one else love me like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on.
The next thing I'm going in with now is my skin brightening body glow oil. Okay, so I love to have this in my scrub because I also want to, you know, activate all of this in the shower before going in raw with the oil on my body. This is my body glow oil. I formulated it myself and I sell this oil, but it's optional. If you don't have a body glow oil, you can do without it, but I'm adding mine for that extra boost. I'll be adding vitamin E oil to my scrub to improve the shelf life of my scrub and as well moisturize and nourish my skin. Vitamin E is very good in your scrub. It takes care of wrinkles and hyperpigmentation, so that is why I'm adding it into the scrub. So you just have to go ahead and incorporate everything together.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me, love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you. That's true, indeed. I'm digging you. You make me believe. Your love is one in a million.
Guys, this last step is totally optional. I didn't have poppy seeds, so I went in with chia seeds into my scrub. It is optional. If you don't have any of this, please don't do it, okay? But the purpose of the seed is to bring back the youthful appearance of my skin. I've seen people apply chia seed gel on their face and it is actually very clarifying and brings back a whole lot of glow to the skin. So that is why I'm adding it to the scrub. So now incorporate that properly together, and now our scrub is ready. Can you see how smooth the scrub is? Can you see how smooth and fluffy it is? This is very good on your skin. I'm going to proceed now to package my scrub because I'm not going to leave it exposed in the bowl. And voila, your scrub is ready to use anytime, any day. It smells very rich, it smells very luxurious, and it's very good when you use it on your skin as well. You can use the scrub up to 2 to 3 times a week on yourself in the shower, and when you come out you feel all refreshed, brand new, clarified and glowing. You can use it on your face, you can use it on your kneecap, you can use it on your elbow, on your underarm, you can use it all over your body. It takes care of hyperpigmentation, exfoliates your skin and reveals that beautiful glowy skin, and as well brightens up the skin because of the actives, orange oil, turmeric and my body glow oil. It actually helps your skin look brightened up, glowy, radiant and youthful. So this is all that is to in this scrub I've just formulated. It is very simple to make. If in case you need the raw materials, I sell them as well. Please, I do not sell granulated sugar. You can get every other raw material from me and you on your way to making a very good scrub that you can use anytime, any day, all over your body. If you stay tuned to this very point, you're the real OG. Thank you for hanging with me and learning how to make this simple scrub in the comfort of your home. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up if you like, share, comment, and I'll see you in another video. Bye guys. Mwah. So many times that I miss you.